Good morning, students. Welcome to the class Improvement in Food Resources. In the last class, we have discussed about that is how the cattle farming plays a very important role, and even milk production plays a very important role. And even I have told you that is what number of vegetarians and non-vegetarians are there in India, and how the enterprises in India they are going to meet the demands of the people we are going to learn. I have told. So we have to move on to the topic that is the poultry farming. So hereby what happened you can see that is a picture showing that is a number of production. So the China, USA, India, Mexico and all what happened, they are showing that is the number of production of which one that is a poultry farming and how they are beneficial. So poultry farming is undertaken to raise domestic fowl for egg production and even chicken meat. Therefore, improved poultry breeds are developed and farmed to produce layers for eggs and even broilers for the meat. So we are having two types of hens, that is which are those. One is layers are mainly grown for which one that is eggs, and broilers are mainly meant for which one that is meat. I have already showed you in the last table that is even the egg and meat they are going to have what nutrients value. So the cross breeding programs between Indian indigenous, that is for example Asil, and foreign, that is Leghorn breed for variety improvement are focused on to develop new varieties for the following desirable traits. Traits are nothing but characteristics. Desirable traits are nothing but they are telling which one. That is for the number of wanted characteristics what happen we are going to have a cross breeds. Number and quality of a chicks, what number of chicks are produced, and dwarf broiler parent for commercial chick production, summer adaptation capacity, tolerance of high temperature. You might have seen during the summer time what happened, many of these chicks what happened, they will be affected by the temperature and they will be falling sick because of number of diseases. So they have to see that is if they are going to sustain this high temperature, thereby what happens, no problem will be faced. That is why they are telling we have to see summer adaptation capacity and low maintenance requirement. Also reduction in the size of a egg laying bird with the ability to use more fibrous cheaper diets formulated using agricultural byproducts. Even we have to see that is if the eggs are produced by the layers, if they are going to consume more amount of food means thereby what happen, the high amount of cost has to be spent on these number of things. So that is why they have to keep it in mind. So they must have that is number of savings for their future also. That is why they are telling. So cheaper formulated by using agricultural byproducts must be used. Poultry farming, that is the picture of Asil and even Leghorn. So, broiler chickens are fed with vitamin rich supplementary feed for growth rate and even better feed efficiency. Care is taken to avoid mortality and to remain feathering and circus quality, and they are produced as broilers and sent to market to meat purpose. For good production of poultry birds, good management practices are important. You should see that is if these are provided with the good number of food, so the growth also will be better, and even what happen, vitamins also will be rich in that time. But if these kind of broilers and all what happen, if not produced or given a good number of food which are good in the health means thereby what happen, it cannot be able to grow, and thereby the vitamins also will not be there in their meat, and thereby what happen, it will not be utilized by any kind of marketers. So egg and broiler production, the level of vitamins A and K are kept in high in poultry feeds. That is, for the poultry feeds, they are telling vitamin A and K should be given more in amount. Poultry fowl suffers from a number of diseases such as I told, what happened, virus, bacteria, fungi, parasites, as well as from a nutritional deficiency, because since these are nothing but hence thereby what happen, the more competition for the food among them will be taking place, and thereby what happen, no proper amount of food with nutritions are there, means what happen, they will be suffering from nutritional deficiency. These necessitate proper cleaning, sanitization and spraying of disinfectants at regular intervals, since they are going to have the fecus there itself, thereby what happen, if there is no proper amount of, that is, sprays and all, or cleaning is not there, or sanitation is not done, means thereby what happen, number of microorganisms or insects will come and they will attack the number of these animals. Thus, so what happen, you can see, that is, a poultry will be affected by number of diseases and there will be a huge loss. So that is why they are telling, at a proper time disinfectant has to be made, appropriate vaccination. So even for the kind of the hens what happen, or for the birds what happen, they are telling proper number of a vaccination has to be given, can prevent the occurrence of infectious diseases and reduce loss of poultry during an outbreak diseases. To avoid a number of diseases, they are telling proper vaccination has to be given. Nowadays you can see, for this egg and broiler production what has happened, they are going to inject number of hormones, because within a short period of time, students, you might have seen, that is, from, that is, a chick what happened, they start to grow bigger in size, because for the time of being what happened, they will inject these hormones. By the time whenever the hormones are injected to the chicks, within no time what happened, they will start to develop bigger in size. The hormones which are injected what happen, it will start to work. So thereby what happen, even the chicken or the meat which we are going to consume what happen, are not healthy, because chemical substances are injected there for the production and even for the marketability or for the commercial purpose. But directly what happen, it is affecting the people who are consuming the meat. In the case of a goat it may be, or even in the case of a hen. That is why what happen, the technology should be developed only for certain extent, but not for the commercial purpose, since the hens or even the other kind of an organism which are consumed by human beings what happen, are being commercialized. The health of humans also what happen, has been taken for the number of hospitals. Thank you.